Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, okay, prediction, gabay. So, kung ano ating makita. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng Keeper deck. Gagamit tayo ng Oracle sa ngayon. Okay? So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message. Okay? And sa mga interested pagdating sa ating items, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay? Meron din tayong love bracelet. Meron tayong granter necklace and meron tayong pang cord cut. So, okay, simulan na natin ang reading. Agad-agad. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, madali ang read lang. Tingnan lang natin. This is specific. Mga specific tong makukuha natin. Okay? So, tingnan natin ha. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Kuha tayong tatlo. Okay, Keeper. Shuffle ko ng isa. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Oops, sorry. Child. Okay. Thief. Okay. And thoughts. Yung iba sa inyo specific, yung anak mo iniisipan mo na ikaw ay kinukuhaan, kinukupitan. May okay? May ganyan. Hindi ko alam, pwedeng yun nga. Poverty. I don't know. Kasi iba sa inyo, pwedeng may chance na pwedeng hindi mo nga ibinibigay yung lahat. No? I don't know. May nakukuha rin akong energy rito na masyadong mahigpit sa anak. Yung anak mo is parang may possibility na talagang gumawa, no, outside or kung ano man, lagpas sa mga limits mo. Ha? Okay. Somebody is thinking about a child or somebody's immaturity. What's with this child? Anong meron dito sa child? Nine of Wands. Anak mo may tinatago. Hindi sila nagiging open. Kung ano man yan, in general, meron silang parang inililihim. Meron silang ini-avoid na mapag-usapan. Like that. Meron kailangan pag-usapan. What's with this thief? Okay, anong meron dito sa thief? The Two of Wands inversed. So, I think this is like decision making. Yung wag padalos-dalos, no? There's like too good to be true energy here. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng decision na pwedeng gawin or mangyari around workplace. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagpapagawa or magpapagawa ng bahay. This is channeled or sabihin natin meron kayong ipapagawa in general. May chance na medyo mapapamahal kayo sa gagastusin. Okay? Pwede kasing, ito na lang, ito yung nakikita ko lang eh. And then after, maghahanap ka pa. Tsaka ka makakita ng mas mura. Huwag ka nang maghanap, no? Mabubisit ka lang. Di ba? Okay? Yeah, judgment. Huwag ka muna gagawa ng isang desisyon. Okay? So, parang hanggat alam mong may option pa naman, mga ganyan. May pagkukunan pa namang iba, may mga opinion pa, parang ganyan. Para avoid regrets din in the end. So, thoughts. What's with this? Somebody's thinking of someone. Anong meron dyan? Eight of Swords. Somebody's thinking of you a lot. You're in their head. You live in their head, rent-free. Si Ace of Wands, the High Priestess. There's someone na sabihin nating palagi kang inisip. They are attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Anong meron? What's with this 8 of Swords? Somebody is stressing out over you, or you're stressing over someone. A person, pwedeng fire sign. They're into you. I don't know kung bakit. I think may chance rin dito na nandyan yung nervousness, nandyan yung parang nakakahiya or what. Okay? Wallflower. May naririnig ako, wallflower. Yeah, they like you. There's this someone. Pwedeng younger. Wala. Maybe sinasabi lang dito na talagang meron ditong someone na talagang, I don't know, they're like obsessing pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so yun lang. So meron tayong mga numbers dito, 18, 24, 16. Okay? So yun ang aking nakikita muna for you. Air signs. Next. Fire signs. Okay, so fire signs. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Fire sign. Excuse me. What's for you, fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. Ooh, sudden wealth. So, kuha pa ako ng dalawa. Sudden wealth. There's this angel number 777. Okay. Wealthy man. Wow. Dalawa pa lang. Bongga na. Sudden wealth. Wealthy man. Courtship. Iba sa inyo. May chance na pwedeng may gugusto or may gumugusto sa inyo. No? Medyo sabihin nating wealthy. Or pwedeng ito na yung parang sabihin nating gusto mo. Okay? Hindi malabo yung iba sa inyo. May chance talaga na may mapangasawa or may makapartner na someone who is sabihin nating responsible. Responsible. Yung iba sa kanila literal na may kaya. Kasi they know how to be responsible nga. They know how to work. They know, yeah. Okay? May source sila. Nice. Some of you, there's this boss na talagang may gusto sa'yo. Okay. So, let's check. What's with this sudden wealth? May nakuha ko ditong usapan. Pagdating sa pera. What's with this sudden wealth? 777, 11, 13, 4. Letter M. Okay, so yung mga nakikita ko. Ano tong sudden wealth? The Knight of Wands in reverse. There's this money na pwedeng dumating pero hindi sabihin nating maaayos or magagamit ng tama. The Ace of Wands. Gawin nyo pong sabihin natin kung may biglang perang dumating. Lalo kung malaki. May chance na sabihin natin ipang negosyo kahit kaunti. Gawin nyo. Huwag nyo hahayaan nyo parang one day millionaire. Iwasan nyo yun. Okay? 2 of chalices. If you are currently connecting with a fire sign or water sign or somebody na pwedeng alam ninyong wala pang kakayanan, wala silang direction sa buhay, they see you as their bank account. Lalo na kung alam mo sa sarili mo, fire sign, sana may ganto ka. They're making you as their bank account. Walking ATM. Be careful. They are not really into you. They're just practical, no? So what's with this wealthy man? Wealthy man. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Try to connect or maybe try to communicate. Meron ditong person na pwedeng sabihin nating they're trying to control you. Trying to control. Huwag ka magpapakontrol. Kung sino man to. I'm getting energy of na pwedeng Aries ito or Earth sign din, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Eight of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Page of Wands. The King of Wands. This is a controller. Yung iba talaga sa inyo, no? Meron ditong hindi makapagbigay or makapagsabi ng totoong nararamdaman for you. Someone older or meron kang age difference ng taong to. Okay? So, what's with this courtship? Knight of Swords in reverse. A short-term connection coming in for you with an air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. I'm hearing here talagang air sign. Yeah, Gemini. Yeah, the Fool. Yeah, I think this is someone new. Someone new. So, may paparating na new connection para sa inyo, fire signs. Iba sa'yo to. Hindi mo pa nakikita. And, yeah, this is just short term. Short term. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reversed. Hindi naman magtatagal. Sinasabi lang din. So, pwedeng Aries nandito rin. Pisces. Okay? So, there. Yun lang, madali ang reading lang. Okay, so next is water signs. Okay, water signs. Anong meron? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins for you water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Okay, anong kailangan malaman ng mga water signs? Kuha akong tatlo. Okay. So, we have here judication, legal issues, court, kung ano man, mga ganyan, oo. Despair, and distant horizon. So, I'm hearing energy. I'm getting this energy na may mangyayaring something, lalo na pagdating sa mga legal na usapin, magkakaroon na ng pagtakbo, magkakaroon ng processing nga, magkakaroon na ng, sabihin nating pag-uusad. Okay? Lalo na, iba sa inyo kasi pwedeng ito specific, may nakikita ko rito na pwedeng may mananalong kaso, may pananalunan ka na kaso, yes, yun ba yun? And, may ipapanalo ka nga na kaso. And, meron din ditong energy na pwedeng, meron ding visa, ako nakikita rito. Meron ding energy ng pwedeng maipopromote pagdating sa workplace. Okay? May bibigay sa'yo yung mga kailangan, something like that, kung anong meron. May mga tutulong. I'm hearing foundation. Okay? Progress in general. Yeah. May mapapalaya. may lalabas sa kulungan. Mapapawalang sala. May ganun po. Ha? So, what's this judication? May chance rin dito, yun nga, legalizations, pwedeng about divorce, annulment. So, it's like, kung hindi na nga maganda, no, yung situation, then, merong magagrant. Okay? Merong magiging, sabihin natin, successful. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng freedom, like that. So, ano tong judication? The Five of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, kung may mga usapin nga ng pera, yan. Magiging okay na. May mga magbabayad sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Pero if you want nga, ang sinasabi talaga dito is talking about connection or relationship na nag-end. So, makakaalis na. It's like, yeah, may bibigyan ng freedom. Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so if this is, may narinig din ako ditong HR. Kung ano man yun, I don't know, pwedeng na pending na salary, payout, payment, may bibigay. Okay? Ano tong despair? What's with this despair? Some of you may chance na walang work. Okay? Meron ding nag-iisip na mga ibang bansa dito. I'm getting that energy. Kasi no choice. Yeah, nakakakita ako dito na pwedeng makakaalis ka. Okay, Justice in reversed. The Moon. Pagdating sa workplace, okay, yung iba sa inyo, merong mga hindi talaga maganda na nagbabato ng hindi okay na energy sa'yo. That is why. The environment siguro rin. Yung mga co-workers, ganyan. Kung meron mga situation na hindi nagbibigay ng maganda sa'yo, layuan mo na. Madidrain ka lang dito. Okay? Madidrain ka lang. Some of you, may chance na may situation na ayaw mo, pero kailangan mo lang tanggapin. Some of you, you have to give forgiveness to someone. Yeah, the Four of Chalices. Always thinking. Sadness, nandyan rin. Somebody is thinking. Somebody is stressed. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Let's see. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles. So, the Emperor in reverse, meaning, sabihin natin parang hindi pa naman nagagawa lahat. So, bakit ka magagaganyan? Some of you. Meron ditong nalulungkot dahil may sumakabilang buhay. Or wala na. May nawala. Father figure, mother figure. Yeah, it's like starting new, starting fresh, new beginnings, like that. Hindi mo dapat, no, na parang ilagay mo lang yung sarili mo sa kung ano man, despair, stress, yan. Okay, it's up to you. Yung situation mo, kung anong meron sa iyo ngayon, it's up to you kung gusto mo magstay sa ganyan or hindi. Okay, yeah. So, meron akong number dito, ha, 30, 32, and 36. So, what's with these distant horizons? The World in reverse. I'm getting this energy about a travel na pwedeng mapending. Why? Ano tong World in reverse? So, may pending na travel. The Nine of Pentacles. Too much work. Okay? So, kung mapending man, matutuloy rin naman. Okay? Nothing to worry. Maybe reschedule. Parang ganyan. I'm seeing some of you talaga mag-work abroad. Pero ang sinasabi dito, kung hanggat kaya mong wag mag-abroad, mas maganda dito na lang. Or, yeah. So, Nine of Pentacles is here. And the world universe, parang wag na muna, try mo muna dito. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles universe. So this is talking about new opportunities. Meron kasi ring I don't know, it's like two opportunities na pwedeng dumating. Merong i-reject, merong tatanggapin. Like that. It's up to you kung anong gusto mo. Okay, so there. So somebody is, sabihin nating feeling the unfinished business pagdating sa inyo. Pwedeng earth sign. Or maybe you're the one who's feeling the unfinished business. Okay, so sinasabi rin, yes. So pahabol. Sinasabi dito na wag mong i-stuck yung sarili mo. Kailangan mong lumayo talaga dito kasi marami ang masasabotahe, marami ang mapepending, lalo na sa kaperahan if talagang important yung pera mo sa ngayon. Okay? So there. Syempre, importante yun, no? Okay. So next, Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang meron for you? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman? This is specific. Mga specific ang ating makukuha kapag gamit natin si Keeper. Okay. Earth signs. Let's get tatlo. Oh, ang tawag dito. Reversed. What's this? Toil and labor. Iba sa inyo pwedeng umalis na sa work. May mga ganyang energy. Distant horizons. So, it's like leveling up or upgrading. Okay, despair. So, iba sa inyo parang gusto nang lumayas talaga, no? Lumayo na, oo, sa workplace. I don't know, it's like, wala namang nangyayari sa akin dito. Ang tagal-tagal ko na dito, wala nang nangyayari sa akin. Parang ganon. May number dito. 38, 36, 32. Okay? May nakakapag-isip na rito rin mag-ibang bansa rin. Okay? So, let's see. What's with this toil and labor? Toil and labor in reversed. Toil and labor in reversed. What's that? The Four of Pentacles in reversed. May chance talaga na may mga magre-resign dito. Kasi hindi na sapat ang kinikita or the benefits. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reversed. So, parang narinig ko hindi sapat to, hindi dapat ako nandito, hindi ko kaya tong ganito. Nai-stuck ako dito. Walang improvement ako nakikita, parang ganyan. The Three of Chalices. Yeah. Kung sa tingin mo kailangan mong umalis, dapat may option ka. Okay? Kung gagawin mo 'yun, dapat may option ka. Yung iba sa inyo may naninira sa'yo. Or hindi lang talaga maganda na yung environment dyan sa workplace. May mga babaguhin in terms of kagamitan, if you have business. Some of you may chance na babaguhin mo kung mga binebenta mo. I am getting this energy na meron ding mapapaltang management. Meron din ako nakukuha ditong energy na masyadong maluwag. Sa work ha. Sa work to. Okay? So work related. Oo. Wag kayong So, yan naman kayo Tingnan natin. Pera mo, save mo, kumuha ka ng magandang lalagyanan. Kasi, hindi ko alam, may chance na may makakuha, makadampot, parang ganon. May magmamigrate, I don't know. What's with this distant horizons? Somebody, mayroong gustong umuwi na nasa malayo kasi nalulungkot na sila dun. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. I'm seeing some of you pwedeng gagastos ka sa isang travel. Yeah, the world. This is travel. Yeah, Ace of Swords. So, diba? Pero in general, this is talking about leveling up. Leveling up. Visa. Energy ng iba sa inyo. Energy ito ng closure. The Seven of Pentacles is here in reverse. This is like closure for some of you. Pwedeng dumating a message maybe. The Fool. See, releasing. Pero yeah, this is talking about ang lakas ng energy ng travel dito for your earth signs. Okay? Traveling alone, o diba? You will travel alone, may mga ganyan, or sabihin nating meron kang mga pupuntahang lugar na hindi mo pa napupuntahan before, so it's like napaka-foreign mo dun. Okay, so let's see what's with this despair. Despair, what's with this? Knight of Wands. Okay. Somebody is stressing out patungkol sa isang sabihin nating player. Okay, ano to? Knight of Wands. The Page of Swords. Yeah, burden. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may makikita kayong message or something like meron kayong yeah, there's this energy of disappointments. Pagdating sa person, there's this disappointments, or maybe someone is disappointed or upset pagdating sa'yo. Meron kang mga energy dito na nag-i-stalk. They're stalking you. So maybe kung ano man yung nai-stalk nila sa'yo, nagiging stress sila, nai-stress sila, and nasasad sila. I don't know kung anong nakikita nila sa'yo. Okay? Ano bang nakikita nila sa'yo? Mga tao na pwedeng sabihin natin ba yan? Feeling ko pag nakikita ko si earth signs, parang kawawang kawawa me. Parang gano'n. Oh, is this your ex? The Four of Chalice. Yeah. See, the Lovers in reverse. It's your ex. Despair. Stress. Sad. Ang nakikita kasi nila sa'yo, talagang nilelet go mo na siya. That is why you're the one that got away nung person na to. Younger fire sign, air sign is here. Ayaw ka nilang makita sa totoo lang, pero hindi nila mapigil yung sarili nilang tingnan ka. Nalulungkot sila kapag nakikita ka nila, pero nalulungkot din sila every time na hindi ka nakikita. They need you. They want you. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Some of you may mga third party involved. So, masyado nang nalawak. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!